nothing can separate. Even if I run away, your love never fades. I know I still make mistakes, but you have new mercy for me every day. Your love never fails. You stay the same through the ages. Your love never changes. There may be pain in the night, but joy comes in the morning. And when the ocean rains, I don't have to be afraid, because I know that you love me. Your love never fades. Wind is strong and the water sing. I'm not alone here in this open sea. Your love never fails. The chasm is far too wide. The chasm is far too wide. I never thought I'd reach the other side. Your love never fails. Oh Lord, never. You stay the same through the ages. Your love never changes. There may be pain in the night, but joy comes in the morning. And when the ocean breaks, I don't have to be afraid, because I know that you love me. Your love never fades. You make all things. You make all things work together for my good. You make all things work together for my good. You make all things work together for my good. You make all things work together for my good. Your love never fails.
Thank you. Please like
Amen.
and subscribe.